Another bizarre prediction for Bitcoin. Will it go beyond 200k? Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coinmonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Robinhood plans to launch beta crypto wallets in January as HOOD drops to $17. Bitcoin predicted to soar by $200,000 in 2022 by Brock Pierce. Polygon upgrade quietly fixes bug that puts $24 billion of MATIC at risk. Morgan Stanley increases its stake in Grayscale. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, according to the firm, the next crypto wallet will allow users to deposit and withdraw Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin and other tokens. Looks like Robinhood is up to something again. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. App for trading cryptocurrencies and stocks in January 2022, Robinhood expects to launch a test version of its digital wallet service. Robinhood stated in a blog post on Wednesday that tens of thousands of customers on the waiting list for the trading app's crypto wallet will have access to the beta version in mid-January. More than 1.6 million individuals which have signed up for the wallet will allow users to deposit and withdraw Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. Since its first announcement in September, the trading app has been testing its digital wallet function with its first alpha transfer utilizing Doge taking place on November 22. According to Christine Brown, Robinhood's chief operating officer, the beta's focus will be on customer security as well as offering education on crypto transactions and transparency on network and gas costs. While some claim that 2021 will be the year that cryptocurrency becomes popular, the fact is that most individuals are still learning about the asset class and how to traverse the blockchain, Robinhood explained. With the launch of wallets, we're ecstatic to play a key part in bringing a diverse group of investors into the crypto sphere for the first time. So moving forward with our next segment, apparently there is another bizarre prediction about Bitcoin hitting $200,000. Let's see what's it about. In a recent interview with Fox Business, Brock Pierce, one of the wealthiest individuals in the cryptocurrency sector, indicated that he would not be shocked if the Bitcoin price touched $100,000 next year. He goes on to say that it's possible that the flagship coin may burst beyond $200,000. He believes the leading cryptocurrency will momentarily hit the price level stated before retracing lower. It's even possible that it may burst through $200,000 for a little while before sliding back. Bitcoin's price performance in 2022 will be determined by external variables referring to the world's huge money production. According to the billionaire, global banking system uncertainty will be the primary driver of Bitcoin development. Pierce, though, does not see it as a gold inflation hedge since it carries greater risk and volatility. He feels that Bitcoin serves as a store of value, whereas altcoins aid in the advancement of the sector. As a result, he expects that many ventures will fail, comparing the present situation of the industry to the internet in the 1990s. So moving forward with our next coverage, given the stakes, I believe our team took the best judgments possible under the circumstances, says Jayanti Kanani, co-founder of Polygon. They've fixed huge bug, guys. Let's have a look at what exactly happened. Polygon, an Ethereum-based Layer 2 scaling network, has discreetly patched a flaw that put its native token MATIC, valued over $24 billion, at danger. The serious vulnerability in the network's proof-of-stake Genesis contract was originally identified by two white-hat hackers on December 3 and December 4 via blockchain security and bug bounty hosting platform Immunify, according to a December 29 blog post by Polygon. The flaw exposed many than 9.27 billion MATIC tokens worth roughly $23.6 billion at the time of writing, accounting for the vast majority of the token's total supply of 10 billion. The flaw was fixed in block 221566660 via an emergency board upgrade to the mainnet on December 5 at 7:27 am UTC, according to Polygon. Before the flaw was fixed, a malicious hacker stole 801,601 MATIC, according to the network. The article on the blog said, the Polygon core team swiftly engaged with the group and Immunify's specialist team and implemented a remedy. The validator and full node communities were contacted and they rallied behind the core developers to upgrade 80% of the network in less than 24 hours without causing any downtime. According to Immunify, white hat hacker Leon Spacewalker was the first to disclose the security breach on December 3 and will be awarded with $2.2 million in stable coins, while Polygon will 500,000 MATIC coins to the second anonymous hacker referred to as White Hat 2. So wrapping up with our final segment, the next headline is about Morgan Stanley. Apparently he has increased its stake in Grayscale. Let's have a look at the present scenario. In an SEC filing today, Morgan Stanley Europe Opportunity Fund acknowledged owning 83,803 shares of Grayscale BTC as of October 31. The fund had previously reported 58,116 shares on July 31 and 28,289 shares on April 30. Apparently, he has increased its stake in Grayscale, so let's have a look at the present scenario. Morgan Stanley, one of US investments bank, increased GBTC's holding in Morgan Stanley Europe Opportunity Fund to 1% of assets under management in the third quarter. According to SEC website, the entity owned 83,803 GBTC shares worth $5.14 million as of October 31. It possessed 58,1106 and 28,289 shares of the Bitcoin Trust respectively, according to the results of the second and third quarters. Morgan Stanley Growth Portfolio, Morgan Stanley Insight Fund, and Morgan Stanley Global Opportunity Portfolio were all rebalanced by fork log in November. As a reminder, in October, the investment bank prohibited wealth management division personnel from recommending ProShares Bitcoin ETF futures to clients. Previously, CEO James Gorman stated that there was minimal interest in Bitcoin among customers. Morgan Stanley had already begun to put together a team to investigate the impact of cryptocurrencies on stocks and fixed income instruments. So we will now wind up with the assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of Coinmonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.